That's ABC News in brief. Warren Dean reporting for American Contemporary Radio.
Now, the most music on WABC New York.
Some people call me the space cowboy. Yeah.
About a little bit road. Elton John and Benny and the Jets.
It's not bad.
Grandpa.
Yeah.
Grandpa keeps hollering. Gotta put a hat on her.
Say boo. This is crap.
Well, if I can roll it in a little bit, there.
Say boo.
Hey. What is he doing to you?
My coffee. No. Yeah, I'll take half.
Get down! I seen a knife here. Right here.
I can't go to the Celtic right now.
There you go.
I can't call a cab and go to the Celtic right now.
I can't play pool at this time.
Go get him! Go get him!
Does Brittany want a hot dog?
I don't know. I wouldn't go anywhere near it.
Yeah, she's kind of making me nervous.
Nightmare.
Car. A note indicated they had run out of gas and tried to walk for help. They froze to death. 3 Palestinian hijackers have released the captain of a Greek freighter being held in Pakistan's Karachi harbor. 33 crewmen are being held. The gunman demanding freedom for 2 Arabs sentenced to death for shooting up Athens airport last summer. And that's ABC News in brief. Warren Dean reporting for American Contemporary Radio.
Now, the most music on WABC New York.
Some people call me the space cowboy.
WLS with a touchstone this hour could mean that big $100 inflatable 2-man Budweiser wrap, along with a good-looking T-shirt and a giant Budweiser beach towel. They're giving away all weekend long, the 4th of July weekend at WLS.
There must be some